At least in Colombia it does. Like, and so I always say, oh, I'm eating meat lasagna when I refer to beef. Sorry. Stop. Oh, yeah.
I think Luna wants some food. Nataluna Nata thing.
If I sit like this, it's not so bad. My legs are jiggly. Yeah, they are. It's like we're all I don't know. I think it's something about being Latina. Everything goes to like your butt and your legs. Oh. Thank you, Chills. Thanks for subbing. Welcome. I will follow you. Deal? Being gone for past. Oh, hi, Canadian Medic.
We have no choice but to win.
How are you? Risk or stupidity? Bravery or stupidity? We don't know. Let's just unbox the heirloom set. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. Body. This is totally my body. I already picked one. I have a 99. It's not mine though. I picked some. I love you too. Thank you so much. Oh. Holy fuck. Dude, but then I didn't know there was farts in there. When I went in and I realized the amount of farts there was in there, I was like, I'm out of here. Oh, that went up my nose. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh. Whew. That's the worst. It like goes up your nose and burns. It's so